In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a GD dashboard in Notion. Start by opening Notion and going to your home page. This is the main landing area where you can access your pages, team spaces, and templates. From here, look along the left side navigation and click Marketplace. The Marketplace is where Notion hosts templates that you can add directly into your workspace, which is the fastest way to get a polished GTD setup without building everything from scratch. Once you are in the Marketplace, go to the search bar and type Get Things Done Dashboard. As you type, results will begin to appear. Find the template option that matches this search and click it to open the template listing. On the template page, click Add. Notion may prompt you again, so click Add again to confirm you want to duplicate the template into your account. Next, choose where you want this dashboard to live. Click the option for a new team space, so the template is placed in its own dedicated area. This helps keep the dashboard organized and easy to find later, especially if you plan to use it daily. After the template loads, locate and click the page titled Get Things Done, Aesthetic Productivity Dashboard. You may see the same title more than once as you move between the template preview and the duplicated page inside your workspace, so click it again to enter the actual dashboard you just added. Once you are inside the dashboard, take a moment to click through the highlighted areas on the page. This helps the content load and lets you orient yourself with the different sections. Then, click into the To-Do list area. This is where your task will be captured and managed, so it is a good place to confirm everything is working and ready for you to start adding items. After that, click Quick Links. This section is designed for fast navigation and tools you can use alongside your task system. In the Quick Links area, click Pomodoro, then click Short Break, and then click Long Break. These links are useful for pacing focused work sessions and breaks while you move through your tasks. Finally, click the last highlighted area on the page to finish exploring the dashboard layout and confirm everything is accessible. That covers everything you need to know.